Hey guys, it's Kiara from My Digital Affiliate, and we are testing. We're doing a Clickbank study on my lead gen secrets and how to make money with it, and recording and make sure we keep up with everything. All right. So if you see here, I did not get a sale today or yesterday, I should say to be more accurate, but it's fine. Let's look at the reporting here and see what it's saying yesterday. Okay, we got 368 clicks. 2 people almost went through. They got to the auto form. And let's see which account that was. Okay, that's my third account that got the auto form impressions. Nice. Let's continue doing this because it's looking promising, to be honest. I kind of feel good about it. So we're gonna keep on going here. We're gonna use the same product here. This is day 6. So we on the 6th email. So let's get that going here. Facebook wants to pay you. Okay. I kind of want to pick $175 per day, but I'm not gonna change it at all. That'd be like I'll be changing it myself a little bit. Once I start changing myself, we'll see if that's better or not. But we're gonna leave it like it is for now. But my gut wants to pick. Facebook wants to pay you $175 a day. That's what I want to pick, but we ain't gonna do it. All right. So if you don't know, My Lead Gen Secrets is a system in which you can mail people every single day, and you collect leads every day, 100 leads every single day, unless you get a sale with My Lead Gen Secrets or affiliate sale with My Lead Gen Secrets. Get somebody else in the system. Then you get 100 bonus leads every single day. All right, so, and the idea is that once you have around 5 accounts, you can make a living off of doing what I'm doing right here. Let's go ahead and get to it here. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and click here, mailing system, and we're gonna just take the Facebook wants to pay you. Copy that. I'm gonna paste that in right here. It's real simple to do here. There's no reason to take your time here. Don't hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does exactly is that it'll send an email around the time that people check their emails. Like when you have certain times when you go to your Gmail account and check your emails, it'll send the email around that time. All right, so it end up on the top. Anyway, let's keep it moving. All right, so we go ahead and just boom, that right there, copy, paste. So let's mess with my name here. On here. Right. So some that, get your area here. Let's see, everything looks pretty good. We gotta put the name in. We ain't gonna edit like nothing right now, but we'll edit stuff later. We're just gonna leave it like it is. And what I want to do is like compare it with my change names and see if I get more sales doing that than leaving it alone. Like actually check, really well. So anyway, let's keep it moving here. I'm gonna send the same email here, and because the thing is, when you start pinning, there's certain words that you could put in your subject that kind of sends the email to like spam or promotion, depending, So I'm just gonna leave the email like they are. But those type, it's easier to get clicks on certain emails when you do that. Anyway, let's keep it. I'm gonna keep that right there. That. Right to it here. I'm gonna put our link in right here. Our link in. Blue line to apply. Let's look at the preview. Make sure the link works. Everything looks pretty good. So yeah, good. All right. Send the email. Right. That's pretty easy to do. Alright, so what you want to do is send it to all of your accounts. Like I stated before, the recommended is 5. We're just using 3 personally, just to test it out, see how well it does with just 3. The reason why you want to use 3 or 5 different accounts, so you can get more and more sales. And some accounts works better than others. Like you can have an account with only 3 leads. I mean, you can have an account on like my other account had 30,000 leads. This got 10,000 leads, right? Then you can have an account with 5,000 leads, and then the one with 5,000 leads can get you like 17 sales, while the other 2 hardly get you sales at all, or something like that. That's why you want multiple accounts. Anyway, let's keep it moving here, because one account is just better than the others. Just copy paste here to the next one here. Copy and paste. Change the link here. You make sure you pick whatever account it is so you can keep up with it. Right? You know, hit perfect time and send it. And it's basically that simple, guys. It's very easy to do. It doesn't take that long to explain this. It's simple. I've seen some no disrespect to them, other channels that you know, talk about my lead gen secret, stuff like that, but it just doesn't take that long to do, to send, to do the project. It just doesn't take that long, and they may speak about different things while doing it and stuff. I just like to get to it so I can just go and show you guys how to do it. So anyway, let's go and log out. Let's go to my next account here. All right, did really well. Last thing I copied was the body, so I could just post that in. Change this to the third. Very simple to do. That, hit perfect timing, go up here. Like this one, see that? Only getting 100 email leads. I ain't got no sale on it yet. And the other ones are getting 200, so I got sales on them. All right. And plus, when you open your own account, right, you can be an affiliate for yourself, so you can get the 200 too. You can do it like that as well. You don't have to get a sale, and you can, and they'll say, you know, you'll get 200 leads. All right. Anyway, let's keep it moving. And we send that email too. And honestly, that is all it takes, guys. That's all it takes. That's all you have to do every single day, and you'll build your income, I think. And well, that's the idea anyway, the case study idea of how to do it. I gotten sales before like this, but I haven't gotten enough sales to like pay for everything. You know what I mean? So that's why I want to do the case study. I want to make sure that I actually make more money than I spend on this. And then if it becomes super successful, I might add accounts to it. But right now it costs $90 every month for me. I might add more accounts to it and try to get more profit, you know, past that. I probably shouldn't add it February $90, but you know what? Whatever. We still at -77. That's not fair to the system, to be honest, because I started this on the like 25th, right? So it only had like 3 days to get $90 with this system, with this case study. But anyway, one more thing before I go here. We can use this here. This is Saving Highway Global. What Saving Highway Global does is that when you get into the system, you can save money on a ton of different things here. Traveling, bills, whatever it may be. There's a ton of ways to save money on stuff you might buy. You check here first and try to get you a sale on it. Insurance, anything like that. I heard they add in a store eventually to try to keep it going, right? Anyway, what's so special about it is its affiliate system, right? Right here, I got $25 off a sale I made in December. I'm still getting paid for it. So yeah, I haven't promoted this in a while. I haven't promoted this in like the last month, and I'm still getting sales off of it. So, and that's the reason why I suggest promoting this over Clickbank, because you can slowly build up your income, eventually getting to a point where it'll pay for everything that you need, and you continuously promote it. Anyway, I have a link in the description for that if you want to join that as well, and use that instead of doing this challenge here. Um, I think that's about it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit notification bell, do all the things, hit everything. I'm gonna continue posting much as I can every day. Hopefully every day. At least try to do every day. I might miss some days depending on how my situation is. But I'm gonna keep y'all posted, keep it moving. That's about it. I'm done. I'm out. Peace.